Hi, in front of me is Samsung Galaxy S20 FE 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can open apps in pop-up view on this Samsung. First of all, select an app like Play Store, then click Home button and tap on this button with 3 lines. After that, you need to click on the icon of an app, select Open in pop-up view, and as you can see, now I can use my app in this little window over here. If you wish to place this window somewhere else, you need to hold this blue line and drag it wherever you want to. If you wish to use it to overlay other apps, just click on the other app and use both of them. If you want to turn off pop-up view, you need to go into background apps and close your apps in the background. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!